If you're seeing an access denied error on ChatGPT, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We're going to walk through each step one by one, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot the issue and get back into ChatGPT. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing to check is whether you have a VPN or proxy turned on. A VPN can sometimes block ChatGPT from loading properly, especially if the IP address it gives you is flagged or restricted. So open your VPN app and turn it off completely. If you're using a browser extension or a proxy setting, disable that too. Then refresh the page and try opening ChatGPT again. In many cases, that alone can fix the access denied message. If you're still having trouble, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become corrupted or outdated, and that can prevent websites like ChatGPT from loading correctly. Go into your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear your cache and cookies. Make sure you restart your browser after that so the changes fully apply. Once your browser reopens, go back to ChatGPT and sign in again. If the error is still there, the next thing to try is changing your network. Sometimes the problem is not your browser at all, but your internet connection or IP address. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data if possible. If you're on mobile data, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. You can also restart your router to get a new IP address, which often fixes access issues. A fresh network connection can make a big difference when ChatGPT is blocking your current session. Another helpful fix is trying a different browser or device. If you're currently using one browser, switch to another one like Chrome or Edge and log in again. If the problem continues, try opening ChatGPT on another device entirely, such as your phone, tablet, or a different computer. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with your browser, your device, or your network. If ChatGPT works somewhere else, then you know the problem is local and much easier to narrow down. So to recap, turn off any VPN or proxy, clear your cache and cookies, switch networks or restart your router, and test a different browser or device. One of these steps usually resolves the access denied error and gets ChatGPT working again. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more simple fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.